Nigerian beef in pepper garnishing. I have some beef that is already washed and cut into small bite sizes. So I'm going to place that into a small pot, a saucepan, and I'll be seasoning this with some salt, some pepper, garlic. You can use dried powdered garlic if you prefer, but I'm going to use the fresh garlic. I'm putting in some diced onions, some dried herbs like thyme, and I would cover this and cook it for about 1 hour. You don't need to add in water in the beginning of the cooking unless the water dries out. The beef would bring out its own water, but maybe about 30 minutes down the cooking, you can have a look and see if you need to add a little bit of water. So I'm going to pop this on my now and cook for 1 hour. Let me show you the beef that we're cooking for the Nigerian beef in pepper garnishing. There was no water originally. You can see water has come out from the beef. So we have some stock. So stir in the beef. Beef for the beef in pepper garnishing is ready. So I'm going to use a strainer to take it out from the stock. You can grill this in an oven, but I like to fry mine, so I'm going to deep fry. Deep fry lightly for about probably 3 minutes maximum, not too dry, and then we're going to prepare the sauce for the beef garnishing. I've fried the beef, and the next step now is to stir fry the peppers. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil into a frying pan, and then into that I would add in my prepared vegetables. I've got 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use chili pepper or any pepper of your choice. I have sliced tomatoes. You can either use fresh or tinned tomatoes. I'm going to add in mixed peppers, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, crushed garlic, and some chives. So I'll season this with a bit of salt and some pepper. And this goes onto my cooker to stir fry for about 10 minutes, and then I'll be adding in the beef. You may also add in a bit of stew. If you are preparing this in the African way, you can add in parboiled stew just for extra sauce. Add in some paprika pepper for color. To add a little bit of my stock. The sauce is ready, so I'm going to throw in the beef, a few at a time, and then just stir fry. Mix the beef into the sauce. Let it simmer for about probably 2 minutes, and then it's ready for serving. The beef in pepper garnishing can be served with jollof rice or any dish, any African dish of your choice, or you can serve it also as starter. You supply some toothpicks or cocktail sticks as well.